Yeah, how many problems can I find to answer with this? Let's start with the first one. Obviously, you did not watch the other 20 plus videos in the series to recognize that actually I was honoring my parents. If you want to use any definition of honor you choose, I was being very honorable and respectful to my parents. And it made no difference. Here's a definition of honor. And here's another one. One's from a Bible place, another one's just from the general dictionary. But to honor means to treat as worthy of respect. And if you watch the videos in the series, you'll see that I was incredibly respectful to my dad and to my mom, in spite of the fact that they were literally attacking me publicly from the pulpit and in prayers, and in spite of the fact that they were deliberately being passive-aggressive. So to come back to this statement, honoring your father and mother, there's something else that's really important to notice here, and it's that to honor someone does not mean that you give that person a blank check to treat you whatever way they want. It also does not mean that you don't call them out when they are doing wrong. If you look at the actual Bible, where Jesus is talking to people in authority who we are commanded to honor, when he's talking about, for example, King Herod, who was not morally the best of people, when he's talking to the Pharisees, who were religious leaders but were doing something wrong, he confronts them. He is direct with them. He says, what you're doing is wrong. Are we going to say that that wasn't honoring them? No, of course it was honoring them. You honor a person by treating them as worthy of love and respect. And a person who is loving and respectful cannot stand to see another person they care about doing what's wrong and destroying their own lives, which is what my parents have decided to do. They have decided to destroy their own lives rather than try to work things out in a relationship. Had you watched the other videos, you would have seen that, but you didn't. This demonstrates also the importance of not taking a single verse out of context, because you know what else it also says in the Bible? It says, do not provoke your children to wrath. And if you watched the other videos, you would know that things my dad was doing would have provoked any person to wrath, not just his own daughter. So, yeah, this is just totally off base, but thanks for boosting my post.